It's a whole nother person growing out the side of my chin. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. Pretty much the same day of Vlogmas. You guys will see that I posted yesterday, which I pretty much restarted the vlog. But because I did that, I'm still going to vlog tomorrow too and just keep it all in one vlog. Anyway, I left off where I needed to redo this ornament. The ornament fell from up here, and so I'm waiting on my hot glue gun to get warmed up, and I need to re-glue it back because the top piece fell off when it fell. So I think it was loose already because of me pulling it. Y'all saw in the last video I was pulling at it. Then I decided to get some scissors, and I think I might have damaged it, and that's why it fell. So this broke off. Wait for the hot glue gun to pop off. This is from Walmart, old and messed up. So let's see, is it any coming out? Oh, it's coming out. I think it's gonna ooze out a little bit, but nobody gonna be able to see it. It's gonna be way up at the top. Okay, now we got it back together. I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit, and then good as new. Yes, y'all, I got this from there for like, I think it was like 11 bucks. And then I got the long sticks of glue. This is what we're looking like on day 7. And y'all remember I actually took this off and used a different wreath. I don't know if I showed it to y'all. This shelf is still messed up. It's going to be done by this weekend. But yeah. All right, baby, I think it's dry. So we can finish up this project, because I really need to see this done. This is like a newer idea that I saw and wanted to put in my house. I saw this a long time ago and I took screenshots. Of course, theirs was more fancy. Mine's from 99-cent store, Dollar Tree. All right, my baby girl's getting up there to put this up there. Not sure how we feel. Oh, that looks cute. I wish it was a little bit of a bigger wreath, but I'm going to have to just get over it. All right, y'all, and this is what my baby girl finished over here. I love this. Kind of thinking about changing my wreath. If it probably was green, it probably would still be very, very, very pretty too. Hey, y'all. Oh, let me get a little sip of this. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my God. It's so good. Chocolate and mint. And so what I did was I put a little bit of honey in there and just a drop of vanilla extract. Welcome to Vlogmas. I have a really fat pimple. It's a whole nother person growing out the side of my chin when Mother Nature calls, okay? But anyway, I am getting ready to pick out me some makeup. Today, on today's list, is for me and my baby girl to do a little more Christmas stuff. And then I'm going to go to the Dollar Tree and get these Christmas plates that I saw. But yeah, I wanted to do like a little place setting with Dollar Tree items. Yesterday, I did a affordable DIY. Well, my baby girl did it. I had the idea, and yeah, and she was doing it. Although she was doing a little bit reluctantly, even though I had already paid my tithes to her, because we already let you go to Chili's. What else did I give her? To get this new phone before Christmas, and then bought her Wendy's twice. So she's like, oh, like all those things to help me with that project. So cute. The only thing is I might change my wreath like I was telling y'all, because I just can't decide on that one. I don't know why that one this year is not, you know, tickling my fancy. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, so I'm thinking about that. Oh, this pimple is one of those pimples that hurt, y'all. You know, like the pimples that come out the side of your face and it hurt? I'm not feeling that. I'm also picking out makeup because I'm going to be doing a cute, oh my God, I hope it comes out cute though. But I want to do a holiday makeup look. I'm not going to tell y'all what it is right now. It's really glam, like super cutie glam. And it could be for New Year's or for Christmas. So I think I'm going to choose out of these two. Let's look in here. What can we use out of here that I would like? Ooh, this one is always a good look. Yeah, maybe I'll use the NARS. This one is the Demi Matte. I think I'm going to use the Demi Matte. Oh, I also have this too, you guys. This is actually a, look how dusty it is, child. We got to dust it off. Acne Fighting Primer. Look at this one. Tatcha. I haven't used Tatcha in a long time. Maybe we got to go with Tatcha and put that one back. Yeah, we can go with Tatcha. That might have to be it. Y'all, look at my thing. I have not cleared my stuff off at all. Look at all these stacks of palettes, y'all. And then over here, did not do anything. Didn't do nothing. I think I should go with this too. Yeah, I think I'm going to go with this Morphe palette. Be like a brighter type of highlighter. Bars, okay? Cosmic is so pretty. Look at Cosmic. I want to show you up. First of all, y'all, I was walking up the stairs with my tea in my right hand, my bag under my shoulder in my left, my tripod / ring light in my hand, and my flat irons in the same hand, with my phone as well. And I'm singing that song, I don't give a fuck. And I'm just laughing to myself, like, why am I walking up the stairs singing that with all this stuff about to trip up the stairs? Literally about to trip and fall, because I'm not used to house shoes that I've been wearing because they new. So they kind of got that hard bottom. I'm used to more of a soft bottom because, of course, my old sandals, which my kids call the lemon pepper steppers. I was like, I'm about to trip up the stairs with everything in there while I'm singing, I don't give up. I'm just like, this is me, y'all. This is me. I know one thing is I'm excited for the Nicki Minaj music.
I don't want to say too much about it. Think it might just be a waste of time. Trying to make your mind.
And of course, I'm not really doing much to the brows. I'm just kind of filling them in lightly.
My heart won't let me cross the line. I need a new supply.
Kind of a little natural, kind of go-to winter time look. Even though these brows, chat, y'all know me and my brows have a love-hate, okay? So we're gonna do a cold outside look, okay? It's cold. It's cold outside. Okay. Okay, baby, it's cold outside. Baby, it's cold outside. This is Laura Mercier, and this is Femme. And I like to go in and, you know, just in the middle. Don't go all over. Well, you could go all over if you want. I might do another look like that here on my channel, and it could be like something that is an easy go-to instead of like here is like 22,000 products and you can get the look. So yeah, I kind of want to do more of an easy style because of course we shopping, it's busy, we going to dinner, doing like errands, shopping, something you can transition to if you have like 5 products in your makeup bag, you can just get straight into it. Yeah, I think this is going to be like more of a go-to for me. I've lately been doing more minimal makeup anyway, and I think it's as I'm getting older, I want minimal makeup on. It's crazy because when I was younger, I would try to put stack and pack, and I think lately it's just, I don't know, like years ago, I would be like, oh, full matte, don't play with me, it had to be full matte. So it went from Easy E, I'll show you the picture of me here as Easy E, to a little more cutesy look, okay? I'm gonna go edit, and I'm gonna see you guys later. This one will be kind of cute. Need a drying mat, but I'm going to use the red side.
Yeah, little hood, but I like it like that. He make me smile and he always call me right back. He make the time, I make arrangements. I ain't the same. He really changed me. He took the old me and rearranged it so I can love. It's so amazing.
Boo thing. You my little boo, you you're like, no. All right, y'all, let me hurry up because my baby girl is doing her thing and I'm in her way. And we went into Dollar Tree though, and I got some good stuff. But anyway, I want to do a place setting at the dining room table this year. I got 4 of these, you guys, so I'm kind of excited about these. Like, oh, I forgot that I had these in there. So yeah, you guys, got me some lobster egg rolls. Y'all saw in the fall season I was on these, so now I have some more. Y'all, I had to grab me another little ornament just like the other one I have, except for it's opposite colors. The other one is red with the green stripe. Just grab me a little lip gloss. Look at that, red for the holiday season in the color Tessa, okay? And then just grab some little sponges to wash dishes, okay? I got some more exciting stuff. I got these for the girls so they can have some little, these are called chocolate lentil. This is a drizzled popcorn with peppermint crunch flavor. I cannot wait to use it. So it come in a 3 count. So my baby girl wanted to pick up the milk chocolate ones that I had last year, Vlogmas, but we didn't get them. Anyway, I'm probably going to go separate shopping for my coffee bar anyway. So we'll do that later and pick up extra stuff. But I was thinking about this for my coffee bar too. My hot cocoa bar. But I'm going to prepare everything and you guys are going to see it later. And then look, you guys, a mini peppermint sipper. I was really thinking this should go with maybe like a chocolate, like strong type of drink that you can shot. Ooh, that's going to go good with like a mocha Irish cream. Be careful because these get sticky. So this is for the inside of the house and it goes with my wreath. The other things that I got was this dish drying mat. And I need one. And then I ended up getting this tablecloth. My baby girl ended up buying this for me to keep in the kitchen or like on the table. Some extra tacks so we can do the holiday decorations over the weekend. And then she also got these cute little matching, okay, napkins that go to the little dishes. It matches to this too. So this is all kind of like a snowflake, red and white kind of deal, okay? It's gonna look so nice. But look at these to make some chocolate bombs, or like, you know, the chocolate hot cocoa bombs, or just like freeze some chocolate to drop into the hot cocoa. So I was like, this is really cute. They had a snowman con. Really cute Hallmark expressions card for her friend for her gift. And look, it opens up like it's a cute little scarf. How cute is this? Look, have a little joke, so that's why it says grandson. And then last but not least, cute little baking cups, and they're mini. Look how cute these are. We ended up getting these for just some little holiday plates, so we don't really have to use up the glassware, okay? So these are cute. We're gonna go back and get more because we're probably gonna end up using them up. Baby girl already getting gifts wrapped up for her friends. We just bought this too from well, she did, from Dollar General. So cute. All right, guys, I'm back with the advent calendar. Oh God, they're so hard to pull out. And we got a sleeping mask. This is cute. And it's black too. I like that. I'm getting ready to take the girly girls to go eat at BJ's. They having a little sister night. They're going to go there. And then I'm going to come back and I'm going to get on Amazon. My outside candy canes, I have 2 more sets to put up. And I keep forgetting every single day to get the little small stakes. And so I need to come back, order those. I need to order a few other things too. And yeah, and so I'm gonna do that, and then I will be ending the vlog right now, you guys, because I am pretty much done for today. I need to edit because I just need to keep editing. Y'all know how I go.